Well, hello and welcome to this week's MediaTech Minute. I'm your host, Trevor Murray, and in today's edition we find ourselves in Austin, Texas at OneWorld Theater, where current student Akelan Jackson interviews previous graduates Henry Hillard and Eric Lopez.
OneWorld Theater, we house smooth jazz acts, older rock acts, and we also do private events and weddings.
Yeah, I work here at OneWorld Theater. It's one of the, I would say, the biggest jazz venue here in Austin. We get the really top of the jazz world coming through here.
OneWorld Theater is interesting because the building is made out of recycled material. The walls are made out of concrete, styrofoam. It is a gorgeous structure. Got a great view, a floodplain out here. It definitely stands out, and it makes you curious. We have people come through here all the time that are just pulling through to ask us, what is this building, you know? Because it is gorgeous and it really does stand out. My first job is to walk in to the theater and see what's set up. So I have to make sure the stage is ready. I have to make sure the chairs on the inside are ready. If we need to move things around for lighting, do lighting adjustments. We have to make sure, you know, you've got monitors wired, you've got all of the mics already run and wired, all your boards are striped, your power's run, and then you wait for the band. And chances are everything's going to change a little bit once they get here. So you have to be on site, ready to go when the band walks in, you know, liaise with their manager and change what needs to be changed, get set up for sound check 30 minutes before, you know, doors open. Everything has to be set in here. It's my job at that point to make sure the band knows how much time they have before they go on. I have to make sure that they are in the wings of the stage, ready to go when they're announced and on in a timely fashion.
I was a student at MediaTech and got offered an opportunity out here as a paid intern, as stagehand, and did that for the last 3 months of school, and kind of when I finished school, just became a kind of a full-time job out here, and really started working more in depth with, you know, all the gear and stuff like that out here, more responsibilities.
After getting through MediaTech and starting to work there, I wanted to further my career, so I was told to come out and apply at OneWorld Theater. When I applied at OneWorld Theater, you know, they put me in the parking lot, had me directing traffic, and I just slowly worked my way up. As far as MediaTech goes, they instilled a general skill set for me. The two main things that, and I've thought about this quite often now that I do this for a living, the two main things I learned are signal flow, how everything is routed in the building, because if you don't know that, you aren't going to be able to lend a helping hand at all. You're just going to mess something up. And EQ.
MediaTech was really great. It's a real fast-paced place, so for somebody who's driven and has kind of got their idea made up about what they want to do, it's a very good place to excel in what you want to do.
MediaTech is something there that will give you the tools you need to come out and be a productive force in the audio industry. A lot has to be said for desire and wanting to make it happen for yourself, because if you don't want to make it happen, then it's not. So you have to be driven yourself as well. MediaTech will give you the tools, and then the rest is pretty much on you.